Are you a tastemaker, or are you just a taste tester? Alright, we're at Starbucks right now. We're getting an iced ube coconut macchiato. I feel like ube is starting to hit the mainstream now. It has been something I've been trying for like, I don't know, over the past year, but I haven't seen like mainstream coffee shops really using it. There's one that I go to in the city all the time called a 4-letter word, and they've got the ube latte. But Starbucks has the iced ube coconut macchiato. I don't know if they do it hot. They probably could have done it hot, but I was too afraid to ask. Whenever it's something new, I'm always like scared to ask. But it looks like they've got like a little jar of like the ube potatoes, so that could be what they're using, which is good if they're blending that up. Maybe making like an ube jam. But this syrup in a cold brew, if you don't do it right or don't mix it right, it is not good. You know what my biggest fear is if they're using blueberry syrup. If they're using blueberry syrup or anything like that, I don't think it's gonna taste good. I went to a coffee shop not long ago and I got like a blueberry latte, but it was like, or a blueberry cold brew, and it's just like the syrup wasn't breaking up, so that was really tough. So I hope that this is not like heavy loaded with syrup right now. Oh, that looks great. Alright, there's a lot of shade over here, so I do want to get you guys to see the purple on there, because that is what looks good. So I should have asked, I don't know what they put on there, and then there's this kind of like little crumble that comes out, but the purple is pretty thick. Look at it coming out of the top there. Ooh, it's like a little ube jam. So ubes are like Filipino potatoes that give off this purple color. I've never seen one in real life, but I think they're actually purple. So all my guyas out there, let me know what the right way to explain what the ube is. But this is a grande iced ube coconut macchiato, and honestly, I think it's coconut milk. It's probably going to taste a little close to like coquito that Puerto Ricans make, maybe with like some condensed milk, maybe some coconut milk. So I didn't get the ingredients, but I'll look it up. So I want to talk about taste before I do my first sip thought, because taste is so important when it comes to food, when it comes to drinks, when it comes to spices, sauces, and especially when it comes to creativity. You know, I know we all have our taste in music, we all have our taste in movies, but I think what we don't dive deep into is our taste in creativity. First sip thoughts. Mix it up. Ooh, okay. That's a bit messy. That ube tastes really good though. It tastes like legit ube. Purple for ube. Oh. This is actually very good. I'm always nervous. I think that was like a little piece of coconut. I think the crumble stuff on the top is actually coconut. When it comes to this ube latte and the taste, the ube portion at the top is delicious. Everything else tastes like a regular latte, so there's not much fun when you kind of get to the bottom unless you really mix in that ube taste. Aside from the crumbled coconut, I don't know if there's anything else they're using for the coconut taste. And I'm not a big coconut guy, but the crumbles of coconut are actually good. I love a little like crunchiness or nuttiness when it comes to like my drinks too. When I go to Grove and I get the cookie crumble latte, they always put little cookie butter crumbles on top. I don't know how much espresso or coffee or what have you they put in here. I'm not really tasting it, so luckily I brought a Celsius to have that extra kick of energy, but I'm gonna need probably this doesn't turn me into Ivan Ooze. It is freezing today. This Chicago weather needs to figure it out, bro. Now, the thing you guys gotta know about Ube is that a lot of people say it doesn't have taste. I feel like it's got a little bit of a, like, very subtle vanilla taste to it. I think the other thing is that they put coconuts maybe to kind of elevate that taste. But whenever I get Ube anything, I like that it doesn't have any crazy taste. I like that it doesn't have all that sugar in it that other syrups do have. So, bravo to Starbucks. They made this one with love. Subtle, does the job. Probably needs a little bit more coffee, but I liked it. Did what it was supposed to do, for me at least.
The Chicago Union Station is arriving in approximately 4 minutes.
The thing is, why did I get an iced coffee on a cold day? I should have asked for it hot.